Manifesta, also known as the next big thing from Nice Entertainment. We're outside today with Trenza and SABC1 at Manifest. And right behind me, we have S. Jandeni. Those who know call it a lifestyle. We're about to interview Jandas, the mastermind behind S. Jandeni. Let's go. So I'm standing here with the mastermind behind S. Jandeni. So for those who don't know, how would you describe S. Jandeni?
Obviously isijandeni kufana nokuthi lifestyle yabo le ndlela esiphila ngayo le ndlela senza ngayo izinto yazi abantu bamanje bathanda ubumnandi so nathi sithanda ubumnandi sithanda ukuziphilela so ngasho ukuthi isijandeni lifestyle.
Okay, cool. And then we've seen you work on different music projects featuring different artists. Which song would you say was your favorite to work on and why?
So far vele ingoma esasipane kuyo isijanda wani emnandi because like le ngoma le ithanda abantu ukucala and nami ngiyayincanya feel yabo mara abantu bayincanywa kakhulu yabo namajensi ayincanywa so
that was actually my next question. I was going to ask what are you working on? When is the next S. Jandeni event and who are you thinking of working with and bringing to the events?
Tingbon most in majensi
Next
month end. Which one?
month end chuti ngay buma 31
I am moving
27 March nge last Saturday ka March kahle kahle thingisho kanjalo last Saturday ya March na host
and who is
Jandeni obviously beka bo Mathando to culture Mathando Nacho Sticks mina ngababala man baningi Lero Soul yo kuzayo yo bafesi